This unit is equivalent and ordering of fraction. This video is going to cover F2, finding equivalent fraction by division, and F3, simplify fraction. To simplify this fraction, 28/4, we have equivalent fraction that shows the numerator is 7 and we want to find the denominator. I need to see what do I divide 28 by to get 7. That has to be divided by 4 to get to 7. Whatever I do in my numerator, I'm going to do the same thing in denominator. So 4 has to be divided by 4 as well. And that would be 1. For the next example, I have 6/8 and I have 3 in a denominator. Again, I'm gonna look what do I divide 6 by to get to 3. It's been divided by 2. I'm going to do the same process in denominator. 8 should be divided by 2 and that gonna gives me 4. So 6/8 fraction is equal to 3/4. Please pause the video and have a go at this question. Okay, your answer should be same as this working out. So what do I divide 15 by to get to 5? It's been divided by 3. We're going to do the same thing on the numerator. So 12 is going to be divided by 3 as well. And that's going to be 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12/14 is equal to 4/5. The next example, I have 20/25 that is equal to fraction with a numerator of 4. What do I divide 20 by to get to 4? It should be divided by 5. We do the same thing in the denominator, 25 divided by 5, and the answer is going to be 5. So 20/25 fraction is equal to 4/5. We can use equivalent fraction to make our numbers easier to handle. Smaller numbers are simple. What do I mean by that? If I want to simplify this fraction 2/4, I don't have any equivalent fraction to find the missing number now. I need to see what number can go into both numerator and denominator. In this example, 2 and 4. I know both of them can be divided by 2. So 2 should be divided by 2, and the same denominator has to be divided by the same number. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so my numerator is going to be simplified to 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. For the next example, the same. What number can go into both 6 and 8? I know both of them, they can be divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is going to give numerator 3. 8 divided by 2 going to give the denominator 4. There is not a common number that can be goes into 3 and 4, so that would be the most simplest way that my fraction could be simplified. Please pause the video and have a go at these questions. Okay, your answer should be the same. We need to see what number can go into both 3 and 9, and both of them they can go to 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3. For the next example is the same. What number can go into both 4 and 12? Both of them can go into 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So the simplified fraction is 1 over 3. This is how you simplify the fraction